everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a big ol' Bath & Body Works haul. This box is very heavy. I'm afraid if I even take one hand off, it's going to fall. So we're gonna jump into this straight away. Okay, so I wanna get this out right now so it doesn't break. The first thing I have is their Squirrel candle holder. I have the Fox candle holder already. I got it last year and it did sit over there for a long time. Put my tag back in, but I wanted to switch out the candles to that bigger candle that's there now. So the Fox one is in the dining room. But the Squirrel one, I was like, it's so cute, and the squirrel's trying to get the nut, and it's just adorable, and the candle sits right on top, so I had to get this. I, of course, had to get some wallflowers. The first one I got is 2 of the Mahogany Apple. My favorite scent in the world is apple. I'm not gonna lie. It is an incredible scent. And Bath & Body Works, they just nail that scent. It's so gorgeous. And so I wanted to have a couple to put in the bathrooms and maybe one in the kitchen because I do have their wallflowers kind of plugged in all over the house. So I got 2 of these, and then it was not going to be Christmas without the fresh balsam scent. So fresh balsam is like their greatest Christmas tree smell ever. And this you plug into the wallflower all over your house, and everywhere you go, it just smells like a Christmas tree. And I thought, you know what, last year these sold out. It was hard to get these last year, so I wasn't going to risk it. So I bought 6, or I bought 5, that's what I got. So I got 5 of these because I want to make sure that on December 1st, I can plug them into every single room in my house, and I will be guaranteed 30 days of Christmas tree smelling scents. I then got the Marshmallow Pumpkin Ultra Shea Butter, the Whipped Marshmallow Body Scrub, which is also Marshmallow Pumpkin, or Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, I'm sorry. And then I also got the Shower Gel. This, I don't remember this scent. I feel like the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, I feel like last year I said I liked it, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie, Mark Ferris talks about this scent all the time. He's obsessed with it. He's a British YouTuber. They don't have Bath & Body Works there, so when they order like huge 2 or 3 times the size of what I have here to last them for several months. And so he always talks about this scent, and I'm like, I feel like I liked that, so I got it. So now we're about to find out, did I like it? Yes, I did. It's a sweet vanilla-y scent. I personally don't smell marshmallow. Maybe the hint of sweetness is the marshmallow, but it basically smells much more like pumpkin vanilla smells. I almost said flavors. I don't know what's wrong with me. But this is really good. And also this is their Ultra Shea body cream. It is amazing. And their body scrubs is like the greatest thing you will ever use in your life as far as body scrubs go. They're a little bit pricey, but so worth it. I love these. And now we're about to get into the fun stuff because it's candle time. I'm so excited. I don't even remember what candles I got. Oh, what a pretty jar. Oh, this is Bath & Body Works Acorn Lane. Ooh, that smells very spicy. I was not expecting that. Autumn leaves, so fragrance notes are autumn leaves, warm cinnamon, crisp gala apples. I smell the cinnamon. I do not smell autumn leaves, and I certainly do not smell gala apples. I think that acorn, I feel like this must be a new scent, Acorn Lane. It must be new. I don't remember that from last year. I am loving these jars. Harvest Gatherings. This is White Barn. Ooh, that smells like, that has like a hint of apple, I think. It has some spice, but it's mostly something else. Oh yeah, fresh picked apple, autumn berries, clove buds. So the clove buds is what's giving it that that spice. The autumn berries you can smell, and then the apple is giving it a very fresh scent. This one is a winner. I really like this. Pumpkin Bonfire, also White Barn. Ooh, that smells smoky. Yeah, that smells like, it's got a hint of smoky. White pumpkin, bundle of cloves, glowing embers. You can definitely smell the embers, but it's not like in a bad way. I wonder if I burn this, if it'll actually smell like a bonfire. Honestly, I have not smelled a bonfire since 2011. That was the last time we were on the mainland in the winter, and that's when we would have smelled it. No, it would have been Salt Lake City, and I think I went in 2013. Yeah, Salt Lake City 2013 was the last time. So December. Fresh Fall Morning. This is, I am just loving these cute candle jar covers. Ooh, I like that. It smells kind of manly. Citrus Zest, Woodland Sage, Red Delicious Apple. I can smell a hint of the apple, but it's not overly apple. But that zest and woodland sage, that is giving me total man vibes. And honestly, I love it. Not gonna lie. That's honestly one of my favorite scents, is a man. Which is, I know, weird. It's weird to be like, my favorite scent is men. But there's just something about it. Okay, this is really pretty too. This is White Barn Apple Weather. Apples! It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Farm Stand Apples, Lavender Leaves, and Cinnamon Bark. I don't smell cinnamon. No, I don't smell cinnamon, but oh, that smells amazing. This smells like it might be sweet. What is it? Cider Lane. Ooh. That was very sweet. I'm not huge on like the food sweet scents. Like, I don't like the blueberry waffles or you know, pancakes, or they have another one, it's like cupcakes. I'm not a fan of those because they smell really like overly sweet. This is a little bit overly sweet, but it also smells kind of appley. So it says, oh, warm caramel. If you guys know anything about me, you should know this. I hate caramel. I hate anything with caramel in it. I hate anything that smells like caramel. I hate anything that looks like caramel. It is not my jam. It honestly turns my stomach just thinking about it. I don't know why. I feel like there must be some sort of trauma attached to it for me to feel so passionately about it. But it's one of those things that, you know how everybody has that one thing they won't eat. I'm not a picky eater. I'll eat pretty much anything, but caramel is just where I draw the line. And it's one of those things that, like, if Don sees something and that I'm going to eat it, he'll be like, no, you know, because he understands like how passionately I hate it. So, okay, so that's where that scent is coming from. So it's caramel with Granny Smith apple, dark brown sugar, and ground cloves. I do not smell really anything but the caramel. It's just, for me, it overpowers it. For people who like caramel, you will probably like this. And I also am very aware that I have said caramel like 50 million times in the last 5 seconds. But also I know some people say it caramel. I think it just depends on what part of the US you're from. I just say it caramel. Fall Farmhouse. Did I already get one of these? What was that? Fresh Fall Morning. Fall Farmhouse. Oh, I'm not going to look at this yet. This is a very weak scent, which is not normal for White Barn or Bath & Body Works. Spice Pumpkin, Forest Pine Branch, Fresh Fall Air. Honestly, I don't smell it. Like, there's like the tiniest, smallest hint of pine. But this is a really weak candle. Almost no scent. All right. The next one is Grateful Frosted Cranberry. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Give me all the like fresh fruit scents and I'm happy. Frosted cranberry, iced cranberries, blonde woods, red apple, tonka bean. Smells so good, and actually I really like the look of the jar. It's just so simple. It's beautiful. Winter. What does winter smell like? Oh, it smells nice. Hello, winter. Oh, it smells really nice. What is that? It's a little bit zesty. White woods, pine needles, sparkling clementine, spiced cloves. This is a hit. This is like a very fresh scent. You could burn this all year round. It doesn't smell like super Christmassy. The spice in here is nice and the pine is nice, but between the clementine and the white woods, it smells very fresh. I really like that. And also I like the very like classic, okay Louis, the very classic jar where it's just all one color. Ah, yes. Fresh balsam, my favorite. Oh, it smells like a Christmas tree. It smells, if you get one scent from Bath & Body Works this year, this Christmas, get fresh balsam. Put it in your house, your whole house will smell amazing. If you get the wallflower and plug it in near your Christmas tree, everyone will think it's a real tree. I do it every year. It smells fantastic and the jar is really pretty. One candle left. Oh, I got 2 of the fresh balsam. Oh, it smells so nice. So that is everything I got in my Bath & Body Works haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to get yourself a fresh balsam. Get it, whether it's the wallflowers, the candle, whatever. Just get you some. Also, they have it in room sprays. I actually have a couple still from last year and they still smell amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.